So one of my local clients asked me for a new server build, for 2 years from now. Didn't give me a budget. Okay. So you have about 2 years to come up with about $40,000. That's top of the line, maxed out everything. Should last you 10 years or more. Minor upgrades and maintenance, of course. You dookied in your pants, didn't you? I know I did when I figured that one out, but they didn't give me a budget, so I thought, hey, might as well make them dookie their pants too. So, anyways, no, the server is probably going to run between $3, $4, $5,000 because I know what you need. And I'll send you a more corrected estimate on that later on. But yeah, clients, try and give me a budget to work with. It's helpful. Thank you.